So today I'm going to show you the proper way to install your Megaware SkegGuard. This is used to protect the skeg from everyday wear and tear, hitting bottom, rocks, sand. It really can take a hit. It's made out of stainless steel. It's well built, and it will improve the lifetime of the skeg on your boat. It also doubles as a skeg if you've actually already knocked your skeg off or taken a chunk out. It only needs 3 to 4 inches of the remaining of the old skeg to bolt this on. I put it on my brand new motor just as precautionary and to help make this motor last as long as it can. What's really neat about this one right here is, as an engineer, KillGuard approached me last year and asked me to design and produce drawings for them to pass on to their fabricator for this new Mercury 4-stroke. With this motor being brand new, there was nothing they could go off of, so I was able to quickly turn around and give them some drawings. They were able to build one, and people are saying it's the best fitting one they've seen, so that made me feel pretty good about my work. If you want to get one, you can go to killguard.com, and Megaware has all kinds of parts for your boat, but this piece right here is on there, and if you use code MATTWOOD, you get 20% off your entire order, which is pretty cool. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install this. When you get the box from Megaware, you're going to get everything that you need to install this thing, except for the tools. So I've got the SkegGuard, you've got the Allen wrenches, the bolts. It says in the instructions to use a 1/4 inch drill bit, which I have here, a rubber mallet, and a drill. The steps to install this SkegGuard is pretty simple. I've got the new Mercury 4-stroke here. You're going to take this, and we're going to take the rubber mallet and knock it up on there to the appropriate location, drill the holes, and install the screws, and it's as simple as that. So I've got my rubber mallet. I'm going to get the SkegGuard started up on there. So I used the rubber mallet and I hit it until it was properly seated. It won't go any further up. So now I'm going to get the drill bit, and I'm going to pre-drill the 1/4 inch holes for the Allen heads to go into. The screws provided by Megaware are Chicago screws, and that means that they bolt together so that there's no bolt hanging out the other side. It's all flush. But like I said, one is quite a bit longer than the other one, and you'll want to use that in the thicker part of the skeg and the shorter one in the back. Once you get the screws started, all you have to do is use the 2 provided Allen wrenches and just torque them down pretty good. And you're all set. Now that we have the finished product, all is left to do is take it to the lake and try it out. You won't be disappointed. And like I said, this product is available at killguard.com. Look them up.